In the YouTestMe application, one of the most important aspects is the users who populate the application. There is 2 ways to import your users into the application, and today we'll be going over the first scenario. Manual import. To create a new user, click the Create New User button on the User Profiles page, and then enter the username. The username field is case-sensitive. Enter an email address in this field. Enter the first name and then enter the last name. Choose whether the user's password should be created manually or generated. Manually inserted, input and confirm the entered password. Generated, the system will generate a password and send it to the user via email. Set the expiration date after which the password must be renewed. Set the user's account status. Set the role the user will grant. Set the time zone in which the data containing the date and time will be displayed. Set the language in app. Determines the application interface's language. Set the language in tests, the default language for displaying questions and answers in tests, if defined during the question creation. Enter a unique external ID identifier, which serves as a distinctive label for the user in the system. This identifier can then be employed when integrating with other external systems. Employee ID is a unique identifier used to distinguish employees within an organization. Assign the new user to user groups. In the personal information, enter the middle name. Enter the date of birth. Select the gender. Enter the phone number. Enter the affiliation. Refer to the organization, institution, company, or group with which the user is associated or to which they belong. It is often used in systems where users are part of a larger entity. Enter the street address. Enter the city. Enter the state or province. Enter the country. Enter the zip code. If a custom user properties have been created, enter the appropriate information such as employment type, CV documentation, etc. Profile picture. Supported file types are JPG, JPEG, PNG, BMP, and the maximum size is 100 MB. Click the Save button if you're satisfied with the changes, or the Cancel button if you're not satisfied with the changes. Only fields marked with an asterisk next to the field name are mandatory.